Imagine building your own trading robot, a robot that stacks trades, manages risks, and runs automatically, all under 30 minutes using ChatGPT. That sounds crazy, right? Let me show you how. I actually use a bot like this to pass and manage profit accounts, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build that bot using ChatGPT. No deep coding required. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and by the end, you have a working EA that you can backtest and run on demo account by yourself. Let's get started. First of all, what is a stacking EA? What does it mean to stack in trading? So a stacking bot means that every time price moves in your direction, it adds new trade and stops everything once you hit your daily profit or loss limits. So getting started, first of all, we'll go to our browser. We'll type in ChatGPT. Click on the first link. So I already have a preset prompt for this just to save our time. So I don't have to like type from the beginning. So I'll just copy it right away and paste it here. So this is script. Write an MT5 expert advisor that opens a new buy trade every time a bullish candle closes. If there is already a buy trade open, you should open another one, stacking trades in the same direction. Add inputs for lot size, daily profit limit, and daily loss limit in account currency. If either the profit or loss limit is hit, close or open trades and stop trading for the rest of the day. Also add inputs for allowed trading hours. So let's send it and see what ChatGPT does. So it's building the code right now. So it has built the code. We'll just go ahead and copy this code. So we'll go to our MetaTrader 5. On MetaTrader 5, you go to tools, click on Meta Quote Language Editor. So it's going to take you to the MetaEditor page. You click on this new. Then on the first tab, you see Meta Advisor template. Click on next. You add the name of the robot. For this video, let's just say buy robot. Let me use all capital letter. So you click on next again, then finish. So there will be a default code here. So you just highlight everything and delete. So you paste the code that ChatGPT gave us. We paste the code here. So click on Ctrl S to save. Then after clicking on Ctrl S, you either click on F7 to compile or you click on this compile button up here. So compile. Perfect. It compiled beautifully. On some instances there will be errors. If there is error, if you click on compile and it shows error, just all you have to do is just copy the error, send it, paste it back to ChatGPT, and it will give you a corrected and updated version of the code that you just copy it still and paste here. But yeah, there's no error, so we'll go ahead and save the robot. To save the robot, you have to save it into this expert folder so we can see it on our MetaTrader 5. So click on right click on this buy on the robot here. On here you will see the robot, the buy robot. Highlight this two, drag it and drop it into this expert folder. Once you have done that, you can go ahead and cancel this. Let's minimize this and go to the MT5 here. So now that we are in the MT5, MetaTrader 5, click on view, click on navigator. So navigator page, you can click on this expert advisor and click on refresh. Now see the robot has popped up. We can go ahead and drag it onto the chart. Look at the parameters here. Allow algo trading. The input lot size, let's just 0.01 because it's testing. In account currency, this should be the profit target. Let's just say 1k. And here the loss limit $100. So that is it. It's up and running now. It's just a test, so you cannot see it clearly. Like there are not enough features showing that the robot is currently running. Let's do a back test of this. To back test the robot, you just right click on the robot and click on test. So this is the back testing page. So we select the robot. Here we are using this robot we just created, the buy robot, the symbol euro USD, time frame 5 minutes, choose custom period. So we are backtesting from March, the 3rd of March to 11th of March. Everything is in place. The initial balance 200. Yeah. So let's click on start and see. Let us check the input. The input 0.1. Let's make it 0.01. Just to give it room. And the profit limit, let's keep it, the profit target, let's keep it open. The loss limit is the full 200 that we have there. So everything is set. Let's check the back test. Oh, you're supposed to add this virtual mode so we can see the, if you want to see the how the robot perfecting, how the robot performed in real time. The robot does not take any trade. Let us check the input again. Let's check the settings. If we did anything wrong. Okay. Let's which one? Which one of this is the profit target? Still, the robot did not take any trade. Let's just go back to the ChatGPT and explain that the robot does not take any trade and see if there will be any correction. Let's minimize this. Go back to ChatGPT. At the end, they say, let me know if you like me to upload a fully fixed and tested version with all the changes. Let's say yes. Great. He said, here is a fully fixed and tested version. So once it's done creating this code and sending it to us, we'll just copy it and go back to MetaEditor to compile. So it's done creating the sending us a new corrected code. Let's just copy it. I've copied it. So we'll go to MetaEditor, go back to MetaEditor. Here we'll highlight everything here and we'll paste the new code here. Once we paste, we'll click on this compile again. So click on this expert. Since that is where the robot is, click on open. Click on this robot. So we are going to replace it into the new one. So it has compiled. It has compiled successfully. Let's go back to the meta editor to check. MetaTrader rather. Meta MT5. Let's go back to check. So refresh this page here. I just removed it from the chat. So we are refreshing the robot. Let's test it again to see if it has started taking trades. Check the input. This should be the loss limit. Let's set it 200. Settings. Click on start. Perfect. Now it's taking trades. So you see, anytime you are creating a robot, if you encounter a problem, all you have to do is just simply copy that error or explain it to ChatGPT, and it's going to fix that problem for you and give you a new code that you can just go back to your meta editor, paste it back there, and you solve the problem. So this is backtest from March 3rd, from the March 3rd, 2025 to March 11. Let's check the backtest data. So this is backtest data. Our initial deposit was $200, and our total net profit was about 2,900. So in a span of about 7 days or so, the robot traded this $200 to about 2,900. So you see, and it's just a basic explanation on how to this video is just a basic explanation on how to create a fully functional robot using ChatGPT. You see, I did not create any code, I did not build any code. I simply just copied code from ChatGPT, pasted it on MT5, and yeah, I have a fully functional trading robot that is taking buys and closing everything by itself. So this is the backtest data. This is a graph from the result. Our initial deposit was about $200. If you check from here and close here, let's cancel this. So that is it. You can drag this robot now to the chart. Set your parameters. Set your profit target. What you want. What's your profit target? Say if this was a pro firm, we are willing to. You are looking to make like $8,000. If it was a 100K profile challenge, $8,000, and we are risking 1% for this particular move. 1% is about $1,000. With the preset stop lot size, would have calculated that with our lot size calculator. Most of you know how to use most lot size calculator. But I explained it in the previous in the coming videos if you don't. For those that don't, rather. So that is it. The robot is currently running on this account. That is it. That is how to create a fully functional robot with ChatGPT with no coding experience. You don't have to be a programmer or any of that. In my coming videos, I'll be showing you guys. We'll create a bot together. See, the bot has opened a buy trade here automatically, and he's doing this by himself without any input from me. My coming videos, we'll create a bot together, and we are going to use that same bot to attempt to pass a pro firm challenge. So we are going to create a bot from start. I'm going to pass pro firm challenge with that same bot here in this channel. I'll show you guys step by step and everything. I'm going to show you guys here. If you enjoyed watching this video, if you learned anything from this video, kindly like and subscribe. And if you have any question about any of the stuff we did here, drop a comment question. Drop a comment below. Drop your comment, your question below. I'll be checking your comments and answering you. If you want this exact prompt or exact code that I used, you can also ask me on the comment and I'll send it over to you. So you don't need to go through ChatGPT again. You can just paste it on your MetaEditor and have the same robot that you're seeing here on your system. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. See you guys. Bye.